On 12th March, Bengaluru hosted the CII Karnataka State Annual Meeting, an event that highlighted Karnataka's journey to becoming a global tech and knowledge hub. At the meet, industry leaders and policymakers came together to discuss Karnataka's vision for a future-ready industrial ecosystem, and the event emphasized the state's commitment to sustainable growth, innovation, and inclusivity. Dr. Selvakumar, Principal Secretary, Commerce and Industries Department, Government of Karnataka, highlighted the state's proactive approach in fostering a conducive environment for businesses. Karnataka, particularly Bengaluru, has solidified its position as India's tech capital. As you already know, with a thriving ecosystem supported by progressive policies, the state is a preferred destination for global tech giants and startups alike. In his presence, CII launched CEL Micro Entrepreneurs Project Karnataka, Abhivruddhigagi Belavanigiye Poshane, nurturing growth through progress, which marks a significant step in empowering MSMEs. As 98% of MSMEs are micro enterprises, this initiative will act as a catalyst for their growth by equipping them with modern management practices, leadership skills, and sustainable business strategies. While the state promises to offer this, what about our talent pool? How do we ensure we retain them? When I asked Selvakumar about the same, he had an interesting take.
Yes, you are aware, Karnataka is the first state to have skill development department exclusively for the low skill and also high skill development programs. So through short-term training programs and long-term training programs, we are able to cater to the needs of the industry.
In line with achieving India's goal of Viksit Bharat, past Chairman CII Southern Region and President and Managing Director of Volvo Group India, Kamal Bali had an interesting insight.
Karnataka will have to do heavy lifting. Karnataka will do 10% of what India wants, which is much. It has to punch much above its weight. So Karnataka will have to really play that game.
At the recently concluded Global Investors Summit in Karnataka, the state managed to attract investments across sectors, including renewable energy, manufacturing, semiconductors, and R&D. And we asked Selvakumar about the exact outcome of the summit. The recent Invest Karnataka was a big hit. Any outcomes that you can discuss?
See, we have signed MOUs and agreements for the value of 10,20,000 crores. So we are having cell in our Invest Karnataka forum, which will specifically target each industries. Each MOU we will focus on and then make it converted into a reality. So that we have already started, and I hope most of the MOUs will be converted into a reality.
Karnataka is poised to play a pivotal role in India's ambition to become a Viksit Bharat. The state is expected to contribute significantly to India's growth trajectory, leveraging its strengths in technology and innovation. With a focus on sectors like AI, GCC, and electronics, Karnataka is set to drive India's tech sector forward. In conclusion, Karnataka's journey to becoming a global tech and knowledge hub is well underway. And rest assured, these developments extend beyond Bengaluru, with Mysuru, Belagavi, Hubballi, and Dharwad emerging as key options. Well, for more such tech updates, please follow our channel. And remember, think AI, think AIM.